Hello, my chief linguist, African professor, and Kasamaba African professor on filtered platform. Subscribe, share, hit notification bell. Said the bear with the new video be able to sound coming to one more time African professor on filtered platform. Mom spokesperson with chief linguist, African professor and Kasanene. Me from Mkwachibia. The video I minimum by my 2D me my favorite of all, Otumfuo Asanteni Kyeame, the chief linguist, the linguist na Kyeame for my favorite. Ewo Kyeame Kwaku Wusu, Kwaku Wusu. Na me say mu bebre mu hu so okasa, ansa na Otumfuo akasa. Na me say my favorite Otumfuo wa Kyeame bebre mu nyina ye good. Bafo content creachi ni o mu nyina they all good. But me dear, me favorite. Your friend say o Kyeame Kwaku Wusu. Na waka asem bi en na pese me kasafa me de ye video ene me say me asema me kan video ni title no e base on comment bi a o Kyeame Kwaku Wusu Otumfuo Kyeame kan no en na pese me ye hu video say the in the fact there no person chance say Asanteni is a concept. So we saw Asanteni, it's a concept, it's an idea. The being Asante and as Asanteni, no, it's more than say you have both of your parents from Asante. Or me my men papa Asanteni, to me Asanteni. And it doesn't mean anything. Oh my yeah, maybe it may mean something, it's a basis, it may be a precondition, but Asante no, oh my no papa Asanteni. It's more to it than say umami with both of your parents in the first instance because we'll be over Asanteni person no you are Asante for. And I say because of money. On phone say he or she can sell Asante for a dime or for $1, $1. And no doesn't make you to say kwakutia titiwano. So until not no will be true Asante's dema if rese abrofono. The kase we Asantenia and no doesn't necessarily mean say umame and papa if we are Asante region kwana sa Asanteni kwana ma Asante. Asante is an idea, it's a concept. It is more than a geography, territorial area, and a physical area. So Asante region cover you know ya wo me kro Isu ya wo me ha ya wo kumasi ya wo batuma ya wo me hene ya wo me jamasi ya wo madiama ya wo me hantino. Because of that ya wo me carry ya wo me Asanteni. Because of that they make me Asante ya wo me no. It is more because it's more than just a geography and or a collection of people. You know, Asante for a Asante Casa, you the same culture and many other. There's more than that. In some church say, be Asanteni, we Asantenia. And so who say Asanteni no, we Asanteni doesn't necessarily make you say, oh my no papa, Asanteni to my Asante. Then the question becomes, do you really embrace a set of ideas, the core ideas of Asante? You cherish Asante unique history. So who cherish it, who adore, you believe in it, and you promote Asante. And I say, down deep in your heart, yes, who front to ma, be a kutukurika kraka, she said, I hear man money, I did only make you Asante because you want Crophobe home Americans. They were born and raised in America. How call Ghana, dan so much Asante, and I say Ghana and Tyrian money, I didn't but and no doesn't necessarily make you say Asante, say me Asante, ni mama and papa, and me. Be fresh and take to my any day every day to make me Asante. But how about where we call beliefs? We call beliefs. What do you see Asante? Say, Oko baby, na Asante will be bashi Asante for and I say ye dear Asante for tema because say oh my and I say Baku Kuna and I say you'll be every other tribe until then you support that against your own Asante. And I say because of political party I will belong to no. Sika be gentino. You don't care say Nkofobi it me fast and for you dear Tama, that because of your political affiliation, you know, not tank of Onechi. Then you come to tell me, say, me, my men papa free man point, if we drop on so, if we hear, if we jamasi, if we aguna, if we bipasi, if we have, we are more Asante because of that. I'm Asante. To the person which I say, Asante, being Asante is more than just a geographical area or a collection of people. It represents, it symbolizes a set of what values, ideas, and principles. So being an American say, so Okasa you are Santenia, it's more than area. And I say I belong to Asante Kingdom. That's a That's a geographical and that's a physical area. How about your core values? What is it that a set of values be and I say beliefs be, cultural beliefs be a man who come baby now who see a can't sanctify you did sanctify man. It doesn't even matter say who agree with Otumfuo about certain things or he be a whole area of Asante. The question becomes that set of values, no, that make you who you are, say who claim so you are Asanteni, no. That is it, does it inspire you? And I say a propeller and my ultimate say no, I will stand here and defend my Asantenity, my Asante. My Asante culture, values, set of principles. So, until I'm until Kyeame Kwaku Wusu wakan, what say, Ubehu Obia, what the Kwaku menu, and then as a cushion man may use you as an example, and I say, your friend Kojo Boati, Kwame Boati, Akosi Boati, Kojo dear, Kwame dear, and I say, Kwabra dear, the Ensono, and as a Kosi, so and so, Nima made a fear menu, ya brewa. Dear, do Kumunia that is no. Now, so I dream only Timo by Santifono, and so bad. On found we say because of political party, no, or Beko Mahama, and I say Ibrahim Mahama, and I say Akojiska. Now, we trying to bash Santifono, but can't you so Asanteni? Tina Magaze, being Asanteni doesn't necessarily mean say you are Asante region. Now, you will to both parents near Asantifo, and Tina Maya Asanteni. No. It's the way we behave, we set up behavior. So, there, you see, we are Asanteni. There's some kind of expectation, in terms of character trait and behavior. So, and the mind that preserve that Asante man, I say Asante way of life, That's what make you Asante. What did I say? So, to me, that's my definition. What can I say Asanteni? Asanteni is expected to have certain character, certain behavior, state of mind that tend to preserve the Asantenity, the Asante mind, Asante culture, unique culture, tradition, and the way of life. And everywhere, it doesn't matter which political party is in power, that core values, that make you Asante, it doesn't go away because of money, because of political power. And it's because of who you have, because of political power. Listen, Uber dog was Santifo, behind closed doors now, Uber depend Munaya on to say, who pass Santifo Santino, and she know who could be a plot to say a quiet befaso, a bet undermining Santifo, Asante unique culture, and values in the idea. Now, you tend to support that. Now we are not trying to because of Asanteni. It's in a person to say, being a Santino is more than a collection of people. Say, me yengina ya Asantifo, ye can Asante, kasa ye difufu, ye free, me free Asante region, me na nani huan, me trace you, me timidi hinewa. It still doesn't make you Asante. The question is, say, when at the end of the day, when we need you, say, Jina Homa Asantifo, who come and be near Asante, Asama, be proud, so bet me you when this me Asanteni. Don't be scared, and I said, make us so. Uncle for make me say, who, say, now to make us no account myself. Now, for be fast, near cancer, fast until he won't hear who know wow, what something to we are not because so we are something because we did it, Kwamboating, and I said, Kojo Boating, and I said, Yabrewa, and I say, it doesn't make you, and I said, me papa de, Kwamboating, so and so, I could see. Man, that doesn't make you become the name itself, Asante name, on you, Asante name, bear, and the first say, your wood, to my no papaya Asante, doesn't necessarily make you Asante. No, Kyeame Kwaku Wusu can was super hunkophobia. Omo, my no papaya Asante, and so no, next pretty mono, Subaha one mono. Oh, and I for a your first American to you was it. Your body is here with me, but your mind is out of the town. Your mind is somewhere. I see you physically, your body in me, but why can it is all no baby you are not a baby? Now, but also, only the Dawana on the table. Who physical, but why can it be granted another bear muscle? And I said, a Dalbafu frozen. And you can say, your body is here with me, but your mind is out of the town. And the uncle for you all so we are starting for. You see them, they speak Asante, everything. But so the core values that preserve that is expected of them to have a certain Asanteni. You expected to have a character, a behavior, character, behavior, a way that tend to preserve the Asantenity, Asante way of life. It's lacking. You like that, then you are not Asante. And to me, come when you know, I'm said, and I make say, me video me make a besion, Otumfuo Kyeame, my favorite Kyeame, Ghana or Yabo na my emre. Kyeame Kwaku Wusu. And they come see, Ubehunkofobia, they have all kind of big Asante, Nana Prempe, I can see one, Kwame or Sam Bonsu, and then Omugu was so fancy Asante names, no matter. And so no, they call their core values. What make them Asante no? What make them Asante no? They like that. And then I can say Asante no, you have to see Asante as more than a concept. It's not a set of collection of people. And that's a geographical area, and that's a territorial, physical area. It's more than that. Asante core values, somebody who cherishes Asante unique history, and they promote Asante culture, tradition, psyche, ethos, and then, certain expectation, way of life. Your way of life that align with the core values of Asante. That say a basse is so differently with Asante. And yet this it transcends political parties. So me MPP need me party or power there. And yeah, many na Asante for I don't care about Asante there. And that's me NDC need and yeah, nature say it's masino no more bashi Asante for and that's a wow coffee. We are not becoming so Asante. We are Asante. And the so one more Ghana and I say outside Ghana, I'm claiming some we are Asante for no. You don't embrace the core values of Asante. You don't cherish Asante unique history, culture, tradition, psyche, ethos. So as that thing, and I said that expectation that embrace the character trait of, and then the character trait of Asante or behavior and the state of mind that preserve the Asantenity or Asante way of life. So when this idea maybe Asanteni, regardless, say mama no papa, Asanteni and I say Asante Virginia because Asante transcended territorial, area, and I say geographical area. It's more of a concept. And so being Asante, Otumfuo Kyeame Kwaku Wusu we say we Asanteni and you more than say mama no papa, Asanteni. It's a concept, it's a soul. And there's a lot of people today. They don't have Asante soul. They don't have it because it tells the way almost different Asante, the way almost the the feel say be a so he be an answer obi obia. Nano just say what Asante no. I say you kick at your Asante under the bus and I say under the carpet. You don't do that. And it mean come on person may say Asante no is a concept. It is more than a geographical or a collection of people. It symbolizes a set of values, ideas, and principles that defines the identity. And those are principles, and I say ideas, and they define the unique identities of Asante and Asante appeal. What make Asante what Asante is? It's in a baby we recognize because we call Jamaica, we be all my Ghana had that, and so they have the core value of Asante. They claim to be Asante, and they defend, they support, and preserve Asante core values. And only my Asanteni, it is not necessary. Say, Obisu ha, ne mami nya Asante, ne papa nya Asante, won Asante, so not baby, Krimiso Asante, so yeah, no dear Asante Fata, no, or demonize, or he no too funny, Asante for no so Asante, only pass our Asanteni. Yeah, you babu Asante, ma'am, a be our mamma, no papa, and Asanteni, but the way of behavior, with state of mind, your character trait, does it promote, does it preserve the Asante core values? What make Asante unique? What is it that the values, the ideas, the principles that define, that set aside the identity, Asante identity? Do you have it? And Kyeame or Asanteni or Kyeame Kwaku Wusu and to me, come on, person the simple ones. To me, trust me, say Asanteni is a concept. So being Asante is more than having both of your parents from Asante. And I say, it doesn't make you Asante. Or Kyeame or Kwaku Wusu, Otumfuo Kyeame na kan asem. Na mene ya adwene. Ti kuma person do one more time African professor and subscribe, share with friends and family. I'll talk to you another time. Have a great day. Bye.